If g of x equal to x square plus x minus 1, g circle f of x equal to 4x square minus 10x plus 5, then f of 5 by 4 value is how much he is asking. This is given in JEE 2020 January 7. Simple sum. If you think logically, it is very easy. This g of x I can write as g of f of x, only g circle f of x, is giving it as 4x square minus 10x plus 5. So if I am finding g of f of 5 by 4, so this is equal to 4 into 5 by 4 whole square minus 10 into 5 by 4 plus 5. So this is 4 into 25 by 16 minus 50 by 4 plus 5. 4 4 I can take cancel and 4 LCM I can take. So if I take 4 LCM, 25 minus 50 plus 20 becomes minus 5 by 4. Becomes minus 5 by 4. Let it be equation 1, keep it aside. And given that g of x equal to x square plus x minus 1, in place of x if I substitute f of 5 by 4 in this, means g of, in place of x I am substituting f of 5 by 4. Keep that in mind. So becomes, equation becomes, in place of x wherever is there I will substitute f of 5 by 4. This becomes f of 5 by 4 whole square minus, plus x means f of 5 by 4 minus 1. But from the equation 1, in place g of f of 5 by 4, I can substitute minus 5 by 4. So minus 5 by 4 equal to f of 5 by 4 I will take it as y. So y square plus y minus 1. So if I bring 4 to that side, becomes minus 5 equal to 4y square plus 4y minus 4. And minus 5 to that side becomes minus 5 to that side becomes plus 5. So it becomes 4y square plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. Plus 5 minus 4 becomes plus 1. So this I can write as 2y plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Implies 2y equal to 1. Implies y equal to 2y equal to minus 1 implies y equal to minus 1 by 2. So our final answer is minus 1 by 2. Such a simple sum if you think logically. F of x equal to p minus x power n whole power 1 by n. For p greater than or equal to n is a positive integer. Then is asking f of x equal to how much? Given in MSET 2013. Now we will discuss some MSET questions. This is MSET 2013 question. He is asking f of x. He is giving f of x is this. So if I want f of x, means I consider this as x. So f of x is this. So in place of x I can substitute this. So what I want to say is f of x is p minus x power n whole power 1 by n. Now this whole is x. Now I want f of x. In place of x I can resubstitute this. So p minus, in place of x I can substitute this, means p minus x power n whole power 1 by n. X power n means whole power n, whole power 1 by n as it is. Now this n and n gets cancelled. Left out is p minus into minus plus x power n whole power 1 by n. P cancel, x power n whole power 1 by n cancel. So our final answer is x. So our final answer is x. X belongs to R such that log of 1.6 whole power 1 minus x square minus 0.625 whole power 6 into 1 plus x belongs to R. This means this whole set belongs to R. Then what is the value of x? It seems to be x belongs to R is asking the set of values of x. Such the value of x satisfies this function is asking. Simply he is asking domain. Instead of asking domain, he can ask the question like this: given an answer 2012. Given an answer 2012. Domain means value of x for which the function is defined at all. Means value of x for which this function is defined means log is defined only for positive values. Means this must be greater than or equal to 0. Means 1.6 whole power 1 minus x square minus 0.625 whole power 6 into 1 plus x greater than or equal to 0. Greater than 0. Log 0 also undefined. So don't take equal to also. It is greater than 0. Implies 1.6 I will write as 16 by 10 whole power 1 minus x square, and this to the side greater than 0.625 I will write as 625 by 1000 whole power 6 into 1 plus x. Now I will simplify this. This becomes 2 8 ja, 2 5 ja, and this is calculation part to take care. I am cancelling 2 8 ja, 2 5 ja, and this is 25 25 ja, 25 4 ja, 100. Now this can be written as 25 4 ja 0 ja. Now I can cancel again with some 5 5 8 ja, 5 5 ja. So what I want to say is this is 8 by 5 whole power 1 minus x square greater than, if I reciprocal it, instead of 5 by 8, if I write 8 by 5, then this becomes whole power minus 1. So what I want to say is 8 by 5 whole power minus of 6 into 1 plus x I can write instead of 5 by 8. I am reciprocaling, I am keeping minus here in the power. Now this implies here both our bases are same, so power should be satisfied. Implies it becomes 1 minus x square greater than minus 6 minus 6x. Bringing all to one side, like minus x square plus 6x plus 7 greater than 0. If I take minus common, this becomes x square minus 6x minus 7 less than 0. I am taking minus 7, so inequality changes. It is becoming minus 7 less than 0. Now factorize minus 7 minus 1. So this can be written as x square minus 7x plus 1x minus 7 less than 0. If I take x common, this becomes x minus 7. This is x plus 1. So x minus 7 into x plus 1 less than 0. Less than means x lie between a and b. So x lie between minus 1 and 7. So our option is D. There is no equal to, so open brackets. So our answer is minus 1 comma 7. So option D is the correct answer. If f is a mapping from 2 comma infinity to b, defined by the function f of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 5 is a bijection, then find b value. What is meant by b value? Is asking codomain. He is saying it is bijection, means 1 1 and onto codomain equal to range. So simply he is asking range of this function. What is the range of this function? I told you, for finding range, different methods to find the range. I told you different techniques. If it is a quadratic equation and a more than 0, then what is the range I told? 4ac minus b square means minus b by 4a comma alpha I told. So for doing this sum there are two methods. One is using direct technique formula I told. So range is since a is greater than 0, range is minus d by 4a to infinity. I told. So this implies where d is b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. So this is equal to b square 16 minus 4ac, 4 5 are 20. So becomes minus 4. So range equal to minus 4 minus of minus plus 4 minus d means minus of minus plus 4. 4a is 1, 4 into 1 1 to infinity. So our range is here, this is equal to, it can be 0 also. So that's why minus d by 4a 1 to infinity. So our range is 1 to infinity. This is one way of doing simple method. Another way, completing square method I told. Alternative method I can say. Another method. I can write x square minus 4x plus 5 as 1 plus 4. Plus 5 as 1 plus 4 or 4 plus 1, nothing will happen. So this I can write as x minus 2 whole square plus 1. X minus 2 whole square plus 1. So this is always greater than or equal to 0 because this is square of a number plus 1 greater than or equal to 0 plus 1. So greater than or equal to 1. So this is always greater than or equal to 1. So range equal to simply greater than or equal to 1 means including 1 to infinity. This is second way of doing. F of x equal to step of x by 5. And f is a mapping from R to R where step x is greatest integer function less than or equal to x. Then f of x equal to how much is asking such that mod x is less than 71. Such that mod x is less than 71. That is what is asking clearly. Mod x is less than 71 means x lie between minus 71 to plus 71. Mod x less than 71 means we discussed mod function. If mod x is less than a implies I told x lie between minus a to plus a. X lie between minus a to plus a. So if I want x by 5, so minus 71 by 5 less than x by 5 less than 71 by 5. So what? How much this is? Minus 14 point something, and this is plus 14 point something. Keep this in mind. When step of 14 point something means it includes minus 15. So less than or equal to this means minus 15. But up to 14 point something, maximum value is 14. So simply our option is D. Simply our option is D. Minus 15 includes, but 14 does not include because this is step off. I need step off. This is step x. Step off x by 5 value I need. Step off x by 5 means step off minus 14 point something. So this becomes minus 15. So minus 15 includes, like step off 14 point something, if there is no negative, this becomes plus 14. So minus 15 includes, but plus 15 does not include. So step value lie between. So f of x is asking, f of x is x step of x by 5. So f of x is minus 15 to 14 is the set of f of x values. F of x is a mapping from closed bracket 2 comma 3 to R defined by the function f of x equal to x cube plus 3x minus 2. Then range equal to how much is asking. Range equal to how much is asking. For range I told you different method. Previously we discussed quadratic. But here is giving cubic. There is small difference. For a polynomial, between the limits, I told you two methods. One is if it is continuous in the interval, given interval, then lower limit and upper limit if you find, it will give you maximum minimum values range directly. if it is increasing or decreasing function. Otherwise, we need to go for maximum minimum method. Two concepts I told. Now coming to this, first we will find it is increasing or decreasing function. So first of all, I will find f dash x. Derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 3x derivative is 3. So this is square, means always greater than 0. So this function is always increasing function. F dash x greater than 0 means it is an increasing function. It is an increasing function. F dash x greater than 0 means it is an increasing function. Means if you take lower limit and upper limit enough, that gives you the maximum minimum values. So find f of 2. F of 2 equal to 2 cube plus 3 into 2 6 minus 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 6 14 minus 2 12. Like f of 3. 3 cube plus 3 into 3 9 minus 2. So 3 cube 27. 27 minus 2 25 plus 9 34. So our range is equal to 34. So option B. Our range is equal to 34. So option B. X belongs to R such that 2x minus f of x is 2x minus 1 by x cube plus 4x square plus 3x. So he is asking x values, means domain. We already discussed in the first question. Domain is asking. Second question we discussed domain. So what is a domain we discussed? Domain means values of x for which the function is defined. Values of x for which the function is defined. So where the function is defined, where the function is not defined. The function is defined only if denominator not equal to 0. Implies x cube plus 4x square plus 3x not equal to 0. Then only the function is defined. If I take x common, becomes x square plus 4x plus 3 not equal to 0. X into x square plus 4x plus 3 not equal to 0. If you factorize this, becomes x into, this is x square, 4 can be written as 3x plus 1x plus 3 not equal to 0. Implies x into, this is x plus 3 into x plus 1 not equal to 0. Implies x is not equal to 0, x is not equal to minus 3 and x is not equal to minus 1. So domain equal to, what is domain we already know. Domain equal to, excluding these values all the real numbers, means r minus 0, minus 1, minus 3. So that is third option. R minus 0, minus 1, minus 3 is our required domain. F is a mapping from R to R, G is a mapping from R to R defined by f of x equal to mod x, g of x equal to step of x minus 3 for every x belongs to R. Then he is asking g of f of x. G of f of x such that where x lie between minus 8 by 5 to plus 8 by 5 is asking. He is asking g of f of x. What is g of f of x first? Range is asking. What is g of f of x? G of f of x is g of mod x is nothing but step of mod x minus 3 is asking. He is asking the range of step of mod x minus 3. Simple as. Now coming to this. Given that x is lying between minus 8 by 5 to plus 8 by 5. Means since x lie between minus 8 by 5 to plus 8 by 5. What is meant by this? Mod x is always lying between 0 and 8 by 5 only. Mod x is always positive, but is asking which is less than 8 by 5. So mod x lie between 0 and 8 by 5. This basic point if you catch, sum is over. Now subtracting 3 from R. So becomes 0 minus 3 less than or equal to mod x minus 3 less than 8 by 5 minus 3. So becomes minus 3 less than or equal to mod x minus 3 less than 8 by 5 minus 3 means 8 minus 15, how much? 8 minus 15 minus 7 by 5. So now if this lie between minus 3 to minus 7 by 5, what should be the value of step of this? Means integers between these two is asking. So what are the integers between minus 3 and minus 7 by 5? This is minus 3, this is minus 2, this is minus 1, 0 and so on. So minus 3 is this. Integers between these two. Step means integers. So I need integers between these two. What are all the integers between these two? Minus 7 by 5 is minus 1 point something. So here somewhere minus 1 and minus 2 there will be minus 7 by 5. So what are the integers between these two, minus 3 and minus 7 by 5, but including minus 3. So integers between these two including minus 3 is minus 3 comma minus 2. So our option is C. Our option is C. So the integers, step means integers greater than or, so greatest integer function less than or equal to x. Less than or equal to minus 7 by 5, greatest integer is minus 2. So all the integers between these two I need. So these two is 3, 2, minus 3, minus 2. So our option is C. F is a mapping from minus 6 comma 6 to R defined by f of x equal to x square minus 3. Then he is asking f circle f of minus 1 plus f circle f of 0 plus f circle f of 1. So first we will find f circle f of x. Then everything is over. We will substitute minus 1, 0, 1. So I am going to find f circle f of x is nothing but f of x. So this is f of what is f of x is given x square minus 3. F of x is given as x square minus 3. Now I need f of this. So in place of x I will substitute that. So f of x square minus 3 whole square minus 3. So becomes f of x power 4 a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 3 as it is. So this becomes f of x power 4 minus 6x square plus 6. Now f of this I need. So f of this is whole square of this x power 4 minus 6x square plus 6 whole square minus 3 as it is. So this becomes x power 4 to 8 plus 36 x power 4 plus 6 square 36 minus 2ab means minus 12 x power 6 minus 36 2 72 x square minus 2 minus plus 6 2 12 x power 4 12 x power 4. This is 72 x square, a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca minus 3 as it is. So becomes x power 8 plus 30 minus 72 x power 6 minus 12 x power 6. Next highest power is 36 x power 4. Next highest power is 36 x power 4 plus 12 x power 4. 36 plus 12, 48 x power 4 I can write this. Next, minus 72 x square. Next, 36 minus 3 plus 33. This is f circle f of x. Now I can find f circle f of 1, 0 plus 1. Simple. Yes. Okay, na? F circle f of minus 1 means in place of x I am substituting minus 1. Minus 1 to the even power plus 1. Minus 12 even, all these are even powers only except this. Huh? Minus plus 48 minus 72 plus 33. This is what f of minus 1 is. So this is equal to, if I simplify, minus 72 minus 12 becomes minus 84. 48 plus 33 plus 1 means 3 plus 1 4 plus 8 12. 4 plus 3 7, 82 becomes minus 2. Next, f circle f of 0 means if I substitute 0 everywhere, left out is simply 33. Next, f circle f of plus 1 means if I substitute 1 everywhere, so I will get same again, so that is minus 2. Now f circle, the result becomes, adding all the three, the result becomes minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 plus 33 minus 4 plus 33 becomes 29.